and how to know if your iPhone is still new and is still good. So what you have to do, you have to go to settings, go down, you go to general, then you go to about. Under the model number, you see something like first starting number, we start with M. This particular phone now means this iPhone is new and it's still good. If it's a repair iPhone, it will just write P, that is republished. But if the phone has been replaced and so many things has been damaged inside, this first letter will start with N. So if you see any phone that starts with N and P, don't buy it. It's a replaced device. They have replaced something inside the iPhone. So when you want to get an iPhone that starts with letter L, alphabet L.